So now we are going to see something that is a challenge actually to NAST as an institution when students try to use this application to get the answers in order to work out an assignment. You get an assignment, so you don't maybe want to work on it. You just say you have something that is going to do it for you. That is a big mistake. So what is happening actually, one of the challenges lecturers are detecting. So we show you how Turnitin can detect the information you are copying from a ChatGPT. And we are not allowed to do that. We can use it for inspiration. We can use the information we are getting it to work out our assignment using different techniques we learned in class. Okay, but we don't copy and paste what a ChatGPT provided as answer. So we are going to show you when you do that, you need to know that your lecturers will find out and there will be consequences. But we don't tell you not to use this tool. Use it to get the information, to go deeper in your understanding of what you are learning as a concept. But don't use it just to copy and paste answers from the assignments. And the way Maria explains, sometimes the information, even Shania, she spoke about the limitations. The answers you can get out of it may be not accurate. You need to ask more in order to make it accurate. And for you, the student, to know that the information you are getting is accurate is when really you studied well what the lecturer taught you and what you managed to understand. That's the only way you will know that what you are getting is accurate or not accurate. So what you will realize, most of the time when you ask questions, the system may give you even the things that you don't need, that are not relevant to the question the lecturer asks you. And that will be a problem. So that's what many times you find that the students are failing the assignment. So that the lecturer will detect that you use a generative text chatbot like a ChatGPT, and the answers will not be correct because there will be some elements that are not needed. So you will get, it will be a fail. So we are going to demonstrate to you why you should not do it, because the system will find out with different AI detector, including Turnitin. So I'm going to call upon Linekela just to do a demonstration to show you what it is. And then after that, I will summarize quickly what we did, the different techniques, and you will answer to your questions, if any. Linekela.
Good morning once again. Good morning to everyone. I'm just here to emphasize on what my colleagues had just said. So first, I'd like to introduce what AI detector means. So the AI detector is simply a tool on the search engines that we have that detect whether a piece of writing was really written by a human being or if it was written by the computer. Now, as Mr. Nkusi said, these are one of the things that our students are not aware of. We do have a few AI detectors, or many, because they are always making new AI detectors, which is actually good. So we have CancerSEO AI detector, and then we have the GPT-2 output detector. So let me just do a little bit of demonstration of how this AI actually works. And after that, I will have a surprise for the students as well. So let's say supposedly a student had just taken this straight. Okay, no. First, supposedly, let's say the student is asking AI a question. So let's say this is the hope. So the AI will generate something for us.
You answer. Okay. You
Yeah.
ask. Okay.
So here's the answer. Here's the question, and here's the answer. So we're gonna take the answer straight without having to edit or do anything. We just copy it straight. So supposedly your lecture wants to find out whether this piece of writing is authentic or if you just took it straight from AI. So supposedly the lecture wants to find out whether this piece of writing was really written by a person or by a student, human being, or if it just came straight from the computer. So as we go down, then we can check for AI content.
So what you did, you copied
Yeah,
from the AI.
I just
and
copied straight.
you paste it in there. So this is a AI detector.
So this is the AI detector. So after copying, here on the left side, it will tell you the percentage. Okay, so now it says hard to tell, but since it's on 50%, it's not a good sign at all. So meaning that in most cases, if it goes way above, then it means that it came from AI. So this is how the lectures can detect, and these are one of the ways. But actually, we also have a surprise for the student with the e-learning, because the students actually do not know that the e-learning can also detect these type of things.
Yeah, turn it in.
Yeah, they turn it in to be specific. Is it also in Chrome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's do it. You just talk.
Okay, because when students submit their assignments, actually, they only get the similarity. So the similarity can also be, so now I'm speaking from a student's perspective. So the similarity can be, let's say, for example, 14%, but they don't see the AI detection, which is being seen by the lecture. And this is what we are going to be showing you or demonstrate to you.
So this is the answer. What you copied. Explain. What is this?
Okay, so this here just came straight from the AI. So supposedly it was submitted through Turnitin. So what's going to happen is the student is only going to be able to see the similarity side of it, but they won't see the other side, which we are going to be demonstrating. And I am aware that a lot of students didn't know or do not know that the lectures can also detect the AI. So at many a times the students feel safe when they see that the similarity is very low, but that's not the case. They actually do not know that the lectures also see everything at the same time. So we are just going to do a demonstration, and this is the most exciting part of it. And also the AI, the AI was the AI is basically there to fill up the gap between the student and the lecture, so that whatever the student doesn't really understand, they can actually get some assistance from AI. But one thing we came to notice is that students tend to overdo it. So they become heavily dependent on the AI, whereby they don't even want to move a finger or to just put in the work in order to like really dig down into the information and really understand what they are dealing with. They rather just throw everything into AI and then from there submit. So here's the fun part, the most exciting part. So for example, from a student's perspective, let's just wait for the internet to do its thing. Okay. So from a student's perspective, after submitting the assignment, as you can see here, it only says 14%, which is actually great, but they actually do not know what the lectures get to see. So they tend to feel safe that I'm actually winning this. So after changing the role,
Show
oh,
student risk.
I almost missed out something. Okay, let me show. Sorry about that, participants. Almost missed out crucial information. So here, it shows all the similarities. It shows you what is similar, what comes from the internet, or the things that are completely not authentic. So this is the 14%. And this is what makes the students feel so safe that they're actually getting everything right or cheating the system.
But they can't see the
But they actually can't see the AI detection. This is only the similarity, but they can't see the AI detection. Okay, so going back now, this is the fun part where I'm gonna show you what the lectures actually get to see.
now the 14% stage.
All right. After clicking on the 14%, then we are going to see the part or the side that students don't actually get to see. So here down, can you see, we have AI, which is on 100%. And this is the part that the students don't get to see. Oh, apologies.
They can see. Oh, they can see.
Oh, they can see.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's only just check that.
Oh, it's just a projector.
Yeah.
Okay. Here down, from a student's perspective, the AI won't show. It doesn't show completely, but this is what the lecture gets to see. The lecture gets to see that this context comes from AI. No work was put in. The student just took everything. You can't see.
Yes. We can't see anything.
Is it not shared on the screen?
Now it's clear, it's on the right, but it was missing before.
Yeah. Can you see this part of AI?
No, not
Yes,
actually. Can we
Mr.
go back to the
Clear.
part?
Can you see this?
Yes, the AI.
Okay. Yeah, so this is what the Turnitin detected, that these students copied this information from an AI application. And what will happen, even though the plagiarism is only 14%, as you can see here, which is most of the time good, as the similarity is acceptable. So lecturers will use their own determination to make that decision concerning the similarity, the plagiarism. But what students won't see is the AI implication. So here the system will inform the lecturer that this content is 100% from the AI application. And that's where the problem starts.
All right.
Okay.
So can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, awesome, awesome. So this is actually the part that the students don't get to see, and this is what we wanted to share with you today, so that as students we know that the lectures can actually see whether this context was written by a student or just came straight from AI without any human input. So and the similarity is on 14%, but the AI is on 100%. So yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope we've learned something, and I hope it was fruitful. Thank you.
Thank you, Linekaila, for this demonstration. I think what we wanted, one of the takeaways of this webinar was to show another aspect that students sometimes don't consider. They are happy to get the answers from these AI applications, but they don't know the consequences of that. So here we wanted to show you that avoid to just copy and paste. Consider what you are getting from AI as any other type of information you are getting from any other site. So you use that information to compile the answers using everything you have learned in your class. So don't use it as a shortcut for success, for getting good marks, because it won't help at all. So this is what we wanted to demonstrate to you, to share with you as information. So